Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. In today's guide video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Badoo account on your device. Now before we get started, make sure that you're logged in and also make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, go ahead and tap on your Badoo application. So once you tap on the application, on the other page, the interface kind of look like this. And in the bottom right corner, you can see a profile icon, so tap on it. Now on the other page, you will land inside the profile information, and in the upper left corner there is a gear icon, so tap on it. So as you tap on the gear icon, on the other page you will land inside detail about settings, and under settings there are multiple options, and on the second option you can see account. Tap on it. Now as you tap on account on the other page, if these kind of feature or interface does not appear on your device, so you must register your account completely. Now what you have to do is right at the bottom you can see delete account. You'll have to tap on it. So before you delete your account, so you'll have to give a reason why you're deleting your account. So here you have a list of options, so select any one of these following options, and once you're done, so tap on delete account, which is right at the bottom. So as you can see that I'm logged out, which means that my account has been deleted, and that is how you can delete your Badoo account on your device. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.